Pros and cons of black bathroom sink. Dear friends, most bathroom sinks come in timeless, neutral colors like white and beige. But did you know you can get them in black? The trend of black sinks for a bathroom has been around for years, and it's not about to slow down. A black finish adds a luxurious and sophisticated touch to your bathroom, but only if you do it right. You can find a wide range of black bathroom sinks today, but it's crucial to understand the pros and cons to make an informed decision for your home. Ultimately, the perks and downsides of using a black bathroom sink depend on your taste, affordability, and taste. Think about the initial and long-term cost, aesthetic appeal, and maintenance, and how these factors can positively or negatively impact your design. Here are some things to consider. The pros. Black sinks for a bathroom add a touch of intrigue to your interior design by providing a pop of warmth and glamour with a modern feel to any color palette. They also update the look of lackluster bathroom tiles or a neutral interior design. Hides minor damage. Minor nicks and scrapes won't be that obvious on a black bathroom sink with a matte finish. Minor nicks won't turn into eye-catching flaws. Create a hygienic look. Some stains show easily on light-colored bathroom sinks, but you don't have to worry much about that on black bathroom sinks. Just be sure to immediately wipe or wash off anything that may leave a permanent blemish. The cons. A black sink may stand out too much. Black sinks in a bathroom can look out of place when the rest of the room has an outdated look or dated features. Do note that the black sinks also require regular maintenance. Water spots are typically a concern, but you can easily wipe them off with soapy water. Just be sure to avoid abrasive cleaners and brushes. Always go for high-quality products. A black sink is an investment, so be sure to get yours from a reputable source that carries luxury bathroom sinks, fixtures, vanities, and accessories. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.